Amazing. Hope you're ready for some fantastic news, everybody. What is going on? Oscar here. We just got it earlier today. If you were wondering if the 30,000 Bitcoin price now getting consolidated for the last 48 hours, which is amazing. If we needed some backup data to show why we're here, United States Consumer Price Index out year, rightly, 5%. Previous 6%. Expected for this 5.2%. Actual 5%. Amazing. And the FOMC minutes that are going to be released today, right, are only going to confirm the push from the Federal Reserve to get to 2%. Now, most of the people that I've seen that I've known, including myself, we are saying this, pushes and helps a short-term or consolidated Bitcoin rally, increasing Bitcoin dominance to 50 plus and letting us rally all the way to 35 plus as well. I made a poll yesterday about where next Bitcoin, and there are two right answers in my opinion. One, consolidation in the 30s, which that's exactly what we're seeing right now. I'm going to tell you exactly how. And number two, 30,000 plus price, because wow, I think really when Bitcoin is ready and primed to move, there's really not many people or not much that can stop it. Let me go ahead and tell you everything. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Awesome waking up to 5% CPI. We've been watching every single CPI probably since last year. Now that we understanding better, that we really enjoy the volatility, and it is what it is. People make a lot of money. Now, what you're seeing right now on the screen is a 3,500 that happened exactly when the CPI was launched, and of course a little retracement. It's been like 3 hours, 2 hours since that happened. As you can probably see, yesterday was a little sell-off from the 30s all the way to the 20s, and then consolidation and back to the 30s. Guys, that is perfect. Why? Well, because we've been talking in the channel a lot how important it is to get and not leave. Where's my get and not leave this consolidation, right? This important consolidation in the 30,000s. Why is that? Because it helps us get out of the 20s and makes a bigger case that Bitcoin is now ready to go to the next level. And we needed this data to back it up. Shanghai upgrade also today, and FOMC minutes also today, which we already know how the FOMC went. But the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell is not going to lift off the pedal to increase rates until we get 2% in inflation, meaning we're 5, only 3 left. Obviously, the increase in the federal funds rate, it's gonna get lower and lower and lower, and we are going to probably be able to see much steady climb in the price of Bitcoin. It is a fact. I'm not making anything up. Completely facts. And everyone, right? Very happy that today was announced, because it really helps make the case of, I think, many criteria supporting at a short-term Bitcoin bull market, which is amazing, guys. Exactly what we needed. Grid is here, and obviously the people who didn't buy any positions in the bear market when it was really bad now are wondering, oh, but I heard the 10,000 Bitcoin and I heard the 5,000 Bitcoin, and you should have heard what we were saying, right? That there's a lot of volatility, a lot of different shift in thoughts. But when we look at each day, each week data points, it helps us track a better forecast for Bitcoin. And really what started it all to say, hey, it's time for us to stop being bearish, was the banking crisis. Because as soon as banking crisis happened and the banks were dying, price of Bitcoin was going up, meaning people were realizing Bitcoin is the key. Bitcoin is the better place to put your money. That was a huge shift, and it helps us guess, well, if the Fed increases rates, banks could potentially collapse, some of them, right? And Bitcoin continue going up. If banks does not reduce rates and stays at zero or really low at 25 basis, Bitcoin still goes up. I'm like, what? And then the CPI is lower, Bitcoin goes up. So now I believe hopefully you're getting it. Now there's really a few cases where Bitcoin just crashes all of a sudden. And I don't think Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy, and the rest of the whales are going to just sell their Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? So it is important to analyze the facts. And that's what we do here. Fantastic crypto news, guys, overall. As always, if you like this, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Good morning to everybody. Welcome aboard. And I'm really excited to what's going on right now. The only thing, of course, will be Ethereum with the Shanghai upgrade if it goes lower, because by the rumors of the news, people were like, you know what, I'm out of it because I want to get to the next wave. That could be one that makes the price go lower. But the way I see it, if we stay at 30,000 for the rest of the week, major win. Guys, because Bitcoin won't tell us when it goes to 32, 33. It just will do it. And right now, everything going on in the world, and it's still not making us go lower, it's a very hard case for bears now, for shorts. Now it's a great case for bulls to hold, and at every opportunity that we have at 28,000 Bitcoin, pick up steam and go much higher. If for some reason everything starts collapsing to the 28, 27, remember, $26,600 is our first major support. If that one breaks, yeah, we go lower. If it doesn't break, it really doesn't matter. It's just people cashing out and repeating the cycle to go high again. So yeah, I mean, if you're down for all of these high ups and downs, then I think you're gonna get it fine. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you the Bitcoin dominance, guys. This is what it looks like. This is May 2021, when the market crash really happened after a massive bull run that we had in 2021 or basically. So we've been consolidating with the Bitcoin dominance, right? And we are talking that as soon as you start elevating this back to the levels that we were before, like imagine the levels we were before, right? 2017, 2021, we're gonna have exactly what we call the Bitcoin season. And guess what happens after that? The altcoin season. So I'm not selling, I'm holding, I'm adding up, I'm DCAing. And if all of this makes sense, then you are able to listen and get ready with me. I thank you very much for watching, guys. Have an amazing rest of the day. There's a lot going on, and I'll keep you updated. Peace.